This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable the sticky keys in the Manjaro Linux operating system. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To enable or disable sticky keys, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the lower left-hand corner, down to my little Application Launcher button. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go up to where it says Settings, and I'm going to put my cursor over Settings. Then I'm going to slide straight off to the right, and I'm going to click on System Settings. Now in the little dialog box that opens up here, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to click on Accessibility. Then on the middle pane here, you want to click on Modifier Keys. And then right here, Sticky Keys. As you can see, by default, it is probably not enabled. If the box was checked, then that means it's enabled. It's not checked. It's disabled right now on mine. If you put your mouse cursor over this little exclamation point there, it'll tell you modifier keys like Control, Shift, Alt, and the Meta Super Windows key act as though they're stick in place and no longer need to be held down when typing a keyboard shortcut. That's what sticky keys are. If I click on this, then it gives me some more options. Lock sticky keys. If you put your mouse cursor over this exclamation point, it says pressing a modifier key twice will keep it in active state until pressed again. It's your option whether to enable that or not, and then you've got another option, disable when two keys are held down, and ring system bell when modifier key are used. That is how to enable or disable sticky keys in the Manjaro Linux operating system. Thanks for watching.